In the past few months, I've been using one free AI tool and it has become my world-class advisory board. It helps me to take better decisions, create better meta ads, funnels, and understand the algorithm deeply enough. Plus, it helps me to create infographics, slides, and materials without hiring anyone and without being a designer. It's like I've hired the best experts for free. It has become my strategic thinking partner, best source of learning, and a faster implementation guide. Want to know the tool name? It is called NotebookLM. And in this video, I will show you exactly how I use it for my business, for the clients I help, and how you can too. But you will tell me, isn't it what all we have done? After the rise of AI, we just need to go to ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI LLMs and ask our questions, and they will guide us. Whatever we need to learn, we will just tell it, and it will give us step-by-step roadmap, and we start learning from it. It will give us the information. We learn from it. We can go as deep as we want. But want to know the truth? Most people who use AI are getting it completely wrong. When you ask ChatGPT or Claude a question, do you know what it is actually answering from? It is the average of the internet. Everything ever written online. The good, the bad, the outdated, the mediocre, all mixed together. So the quality of the answer is average, and that's the reality. Even if you put all the best prompts so that the output increases, the quality still remains mediocre or average outs of the internet and it doesn't become the top 1% advice that you are looking for. But when you use NotebookLM, what it does differently is you give it specific sources, the best sources handpicked by you, and it answers only based upon that. It doesn't hallucinate or doesn't mix any other materials from the internet. Instead of getting advice from the average of the internet, you are getting advice from the best minds you have chosen, from the best resources you have actually chosen around a topic you have given to the tool, and it is answering only on that. Think of it in this way. You have built your own advisory board. The best meta ads expert, the best funnel strategist, and the best content creator in your niche, all is surrounding you. You are taking decisions based upon what they have shared, what are their best frameworks, what are their mindset. You are taking decisions upon the best advice and not the mediocre. And you can apply it for any part of your life, be it relationship coach, be it finance coach. You can take their best materials and use it in this way, guiding every decision of yours. And that is what NotebookLM gives you for free. Remember this, the quality of your inputs decides the quality of your output always. So when your source input is of high quality, the advice, the direction that you will get from this is completely high quality, and you not have to worry if my answer is wrong or do I need to think from a different lens, will I get the result or not. You are getting the best advice from the influencers. Here's how I use this for myself. I run meta ads for my coaching clients, but meta ads are not simple. The algorithm behaves differently at different stages. Cold traffic, warm traffic, retargeting. Each stage requires different level thinking, different creative, different bidding logic. While I'm upgrading my understanding and getting better with each passing day, but if you have the best advisor at your disposal, why won't you use it? Earlier, I used to take advices from those average outs, the ChatGPT, the Claudes, based upon those generalized knowledge, which gives me sometimes right, sometimes wrong advices based upon my current scenario. And when you are wrong with meta ads, you know what happens? You lose money, you lose credibility. But here's how I have changed it completely. I've loaded content from one of the best influencers, from one of the best experts in NotebookLM, and the quality of guidance I'm getting here is top notch, and it helps me to create specific strategic campaigns for growing different coaching businesses together. Let me show you how I am using it. I've uploaded 50 resources. In free version, you will get a chance to upload 50 resources. It has, as you can see, it has all the nitty-gritties of meta AI. So based upon these resources, I've started learning from it. As you can see, can you suggest me how do I structure my meta ads? It is giving me solutions. Then how do you decide which ad I should shift to scaling campaign? It is giving me suggestions. All the questions, all the doubts that I am having, I'm asking this tool and it is helping me completely. I ran meta ads, but the quality of audience was poor. How to ensure the quality improves? It gives me specific solutions. Then I'm telling them the exact situation I'm going through. 2 ad set, 10 ads in each ad set. How do Facebook show this? I'm trying to understand the deepest algorithm knowledge, which many of us don't have, even if we have moved to a stage, but still we don't have. So why not use the advisory board that we already have at our disposal? Here I go more specific to my workshop and what type of targeting I'm thinking, like the agency, the webinar track, trap, VSL selling, L2 and L1, L2, L3 model selling. I'm to target those customers. So I'm going with my strategic thinking, what I'm thinking, and I'm asking it to give me personalized advice, and it is helping me step by step with that purpose. So following up on it, can this concept be agency, trap, webinar selling, VSL selling, value ladder? And what concept should I be focusing upon? Yes, your proposed category. It is giving me advices. It is taking my knowledge and helping me refine it so that I can implement it better. As you can see in this concept distribution, I've given exactly what are the concept, what are the angles I'm thinking. So can you suggest me how to distribute it? Ad set 1, ad set 2, what are the angles to do it? The images angle that I've created. Let me know which existing ad set should each go. I'm trying to diverse, means when you run meta ads, you need to think if inside which concept which ads will go. So all those decisions I have taken for myself, but I'm giving it to the advisory board, and this advisory notebook LM is helping me to refine those. And if say there is some shortcomings, I'm able to know beforehand, and I'm able to refine it and get the better results. This is how you can use it too for your funnel decisions, ad decisions, and use the best materials for taking the best decisions for your business. As you can see, the response is not generic, it's specific, it's nuanced, it understands the stage I am in. But here's the part where many lack. It is not just telling me what to do, it is telling me why you should do it. It is telling me the behind algorithm structure, why this decision should be taken this way so that you get faster results. And as a result, I'm continuously learning new concepts, new ideas from these resources of exactly what is going behind the scene. You are not just getting a suggestion from this, you are learning, you are absorbing how an expert actually thinks about a problem. So over the time, my meta ads knowledge, my meta ads understanding, funnels understanding has improved significantly because of these resources, because of this continuous learning implementation loop. And I'm just not executing a plan, I'm understanding the deeper logic behind it, and that is completely different level of learning. And it all comes from this one free AI tool, and you can do it for yourself. Moving on, let me show you case number 2. I create YouTube videos. Every video needs visuals, PPT slides, infographics, framework on screens. As you can see, earlier, I used to either take mind maps to guide through, which takes time, or many people outsource it to, which cost money. Now I do it through NotebookLM, completely free, and it is way faster than anything I've used before. And here's my exact process. As you can see, I've given all those resources. Like recently, I've published 7 videos, so all those 7 to 8 scripts are here. And after that, all I have to do is, based upon the resources, based upon the videos that I'm created, I need to just give them instructions. Create my slide deck based upon it. This, like for an example, this source that I've given you is a complete script for my next YouTube video, but I tend to forget and my watch time is also low. So help me to improve it. Help me with visual ideas. So I've given this instructions, and it helps me to create these kind of infographics. Like this is a PPT that you would have been seeing for this specific video. I've created this in a PPT for one of the previous videos, a creative strategy. These are all the resources it helps me to create, and as a result, my watch time has started increasing, and people also get a different visual idea to think about it. It's one of the infographics that I have created. Another example of infographic. So I mainly use it for infographic slide decks, but you can also do it for audio overview. Like here, what happens is when you give your source, 2 different AI tools communicate with each other. And if you have any questions, you can ask those AI sources, or you can listen to those podcasts when you are working out and you are learning those topics. You are creating your slide decks, video overview from the sources. They can automatically create videos as well, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographics, data table. All these steps is what you can do with Notebook from the sources you upload, which is free of hallucinations, and you are on the right track to making it work for yourself. Now let me show you how you can use NotebookLM for yourself and a secret little trick that will help you to upload these sources faster and better. Start with NotebookLM. All you got to do is search on Google the first notation that you will find, click on it, and it will load a notebook like this. Just you need to click on try NotebookLM and you will be there in the area. Get started. All you got to do is create a new notebook. It is creating your notebook. Now it is asking you to upload your resources. It could be web or from your drive. You could go for fast research, deep research, or you could drop your files as well, upload files, YouTube links, website links, drives, or you can directly copy your text all in here. And after the source has been created, you can start using and start playing around with this. The secret little trick that I was mentioning. Suppose you want to take advices from Alex Hermosi. What you got to do is go to search for YouTube to NotebookLM. NotebookLM Chrome extension. Click here and install this Chrome extension into your browser. Add it to your Chrome. After you have added, what you will start seeing is you can see a NotebookLM bar here. What it does is when you click on it, all the latest YouTube videos of Alex Hermosi, it starts getting feeded to your notebook automatically. And when you take a decisions, you can ask Alice. It's like having Alex, the YouTube videos, as your advisory board, and you can have all the resources uploaded here. Since it's a free account, you can have 50 resources only, and all your decisions, all your questions, if you want to answer, you can ask here. Like these transcripts provide Alex Hermosi business philosophy, operational strategies utilized at its firm acquisition.com. So it has all those transcripts here. All you got to do, ask your questions and move ahead with your decisions, your business decisions that you are taking. This is how you can use NotebookLM, and I think you like this secret little hack of uploading all the YouTube videos together and not just one by one. If you want to just upload a particular playlist that you are fascinated about, like his game, the Alex Hermosi, the podcast which he has created, so click on view on full podcast. Just similarly click on NotebookLM and all the podcast minimum to 50 resources will be uploaded in your notebook, and you will start taking decisions. You will start questioning it and it will give you answers. Go apply this NotebookLM strategy for yourself. Here's how you can apply this completely for yourself. Remember, this is the NotebookLM Hide the Best framework. It is a step-by-step workflow for business owners to use AI as a high-level advisory for better decision making. All you have to do is, in the phase 1, focus upon your identity. Select a high-stake decision where you are stuck. Maybe meta ads, sales funnels, offer creation, some live decisions you want to take. Focus upon choose one specific domain. Then phase 2, find the elite. Scout 3 to 5 world-class sources, whatever sources you have, the videos, the materials, the PDFs, the training, podcast, anything. Handpick them. And phase 3, load the board. Curate your NotebookLM advisory board. Upload your elite sources to create a knowledge base that eliminates generic AI hallucinations. You just need to upload it. Then you need to iterate and execute on it. Present plans for expert feedback like I had done for meta ads. Share your current strategy with AI to receive a nuanced critics and expert driven improvements. Ultimate payoff that you can expect from it. You are giving it better quality inputs. It is helping you to make better decisions. Better decisions means better business. Better business means a better life. So stop guessing and start consulting your custom board of experts today and take better decisions for growing your coaching business and for your growth. Now you will ask me, you are also a coach. So if people can hire the best advisory board for free, why would anyone pay you? But is it knowledge only that you give as a coach that brings people to you? No, right? Yeah, human to human feeling is completely different. advice coming from humans, from their own experience, from their own stories, is completely different from what these tools knowledge bases can give. So you have your own edge, and your edge is your own story, your own life. So when you give advices or when you create content, what you have to do is you have to focus upon the insights and not upon those values that they can actually find in these AI tools. This way you create your own competitive advantage and you move forward with it. Now, if you have watched till here, please comment your best learning that you have got here and subscribe to this channel, because I publish more videos upon AI, meta ads, funnel strategies that you can apply directly to your coaching business. Next up, if you want to learn how to get Claude to give you the best output, even if you don't know P of prompting, go and watch this next video, which will help you in doing this, and where I reveal a specific framework that you can apply today in your chats, and the results will completely transform from whatever outputs you're getting. Next, go and watch this.